So you have this Tacoma with a non-functioning window switch, or a barely functioning window switch. I'm going to show you a quick, free method to fix them. You don't have to replace the switch necessarily, and it's very easy to do. This switch in particular happens to be the driver's side rear door. You can see it'll go down, but we got some trouble going back up. If you give it enough hell, it'll go up like that. But that's just not acceptable, so we're going to fix this switch. First you'll do is take a right angle pick or a small flat blade screwdriver, go in the front, and lift it up, pull out of there, press down on this tab on the connector, pull it out. Now you gotta take the switch apart. You'll see these little white tabs on both sides. You gotta pop those out. So take your right angle pick or small flat blade screwdriver, go in the center here, and just kind of pick it out. It's where they stay up, but don't let it fall out just yet. Go to the other side and do the same thing. Pick it out and then carefully remove it, because there's going to be bits that fall out. And there's the contact side of the switch. And there's the contacts themselves. Now all you have to do is clean these points, kind of like the old style points distributors. You have to occasionally clean them. Just take a file or something, file them down, get that corrosion off, get some fresh metal exposed. Doesn't even necessarily have to be a file. You can do this with a razor, screwdriver, or something. Get the other one and do it. This one's got a little bit more of the black stuff. Happens is these things get moisture in them from humidity or people leaving the window down in the rain, things like that, and it just causes this corrosion. Now take the other side of the switch and file those down as best you can, or scrape them with a screwdriver or something, whatever. Let's get some fresh metal exposed. That's about good enough. Now take these little rockers and get them back on there. They only go in one way. You'll see those little notches on each side are different sizes, and that dictates the position of the rocker switch. Just kind of hold it like this. Come in with the upper switch, make sure the prongs go in through this rectangular area. Shove it in there. And then just click it in. Go plug it in, test it out. Alright. Perfect. Now just shove the switch back in. The back end first, and then click the front end, and that's it.